Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set a stop loss on DEX Screener. And if you want to do this, we go right here to DEX Screener and search for a meme coin. Then we select right here, for example, this meme coin. And now we are having here a trading view analysis chart, and that is great. But if you want to buy right here, we click here on buy. And then first of all, connect your wallet right here. So we connected our Phantom wallet. And then if you want to create a stop loss and we go right here to the trading options, you see that we don't have any options right here to do the stop loss. Also, when we click right here on front running protection, we don't have an option to set a stop loss. So what I need to tell you is on DEX Screener, we don't have stop losses. You need to implement a bot on DEX Screener. So otherwise you can do that. So I'm also here to tell you the honest truth and don't look further here in the application itself. You need a third party to get that stop loss right here in DEX Screener. So hopefully this was a little bit of video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.